ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीचराय नमः। सर्वमंगल मंगले शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरणे त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते. Namaskar. Good evening to all. And we are here for the sake of our experience, knowledge, status, and field achievement, whatever we have done in past in our life. For that, we are together in the iconic Peace Hour Council, who was organizer of this program. Now, in this stage, the day by day, the technology has been advanced. How we can challenges as well as how we will be getting our grievances solved out throughout applied machineries, technology, mind, experience, knowledge. Instead of that, faithful and honesty is the best policy of the country, which is to be implemented in the country as a whole of the nation as well as international of the country. Because the day by day, corruption is the higher part is going on, which has to be stopped through by us only, because we are experienced in the field, various field, and we have achieved, and we are hidden. Still today we are hidden. We do not know what we have been achieved. We have to focus in the market, in the people, in the society, in the community. Though then only we can find out the lucranas, where is the shortfall, where is the mistake, and where is the problem. That's why iconic Peace Hour Councils, I thanks to this, the coordinating to all of you here and accumulated and collected, and we have, I think most of we are the experienced in different fields and graduated having different subject, different expertise, which is mandatory for the country, for the society, as well as technically. We need support for the society. We need support for the country. We need support for banish the corruption of the country. Because corruption is one on the right end, which can kill the people, kill the country, kill the image, kill the society. That's why I like such a this iconic Peace Hour Councils has brought you as a coordinator, as a become a bridges of the country, and introducing to all highly qualified doctorates as well as technicals, as well as agriculture sector, education sector, fishery sector, veterinary sector. There are 54 sectors which is running the country. All this sector we are here, I think, according to my opinion and justification. But now we have to do many more things, which is implement for the country. Through whom? Through us. We are the tools and plant. We are be the helping hand of the government, and we will be the person in the platform, in the field, how will submit the data and analysis to the government, what is going on in the country, what is going on in the block level, what is going on in the village level, what is going on in the district level, and what is going on in the state level, as well as whole country. That's why we are here to know the factuals. See, party is not the factor, principle is the factor. And everywhere we used to go, we used to speak, we used to teach, we used to learn. Even we also we have to learn, doing many sectors, many experience, many knowledge. Instead of that, I have to learn many things from you, because you are from various subjects. We should know what is the capacity of the achiever, what is the intention of, what was the intention of the capacitor. Capacity who has achieved the award and who came here for the purpose, they are successful in their aims and objectives. Definitely in future you are going to do something. That's I hope, I understand. Now let us speak about. Yes, here is all everybody. Good evening, our Guruji. He is here, and I good evening to Nadarji. I good evening to Sir Bansalji, and
is Sampla, Vijay Saplaji, who is the chairman of this. He is from scheduled caste and he is from constituency and he is working in the scheduled caste area. He is very perfect gentleman who is straightforward to come in the area. And now we are here for the nation, for the young generations, for the people and for the technical know-hows. Now let us go. The thing is in the modulars and technology are advanced. We should understand for that and we have to come straight forward and we should work straight forward. We should go technically, we should go according to field achievement. Then only we can become success in the field of implementation, in the field of general public. Whatever general public grievances are there, we should solve out. Then only we can come up directly. Now time has come. Let us work together. Let us do together. Let us upliftment for the nation through grassroots level, not only high level. That's why I request to all of you. You are here, being a awardee, being a achiever, being a founder of the grassroots level of workers, being a experienced, because this is time we are here and we should unite it together. We should work together for the nation, for the country, for the community, for the society. See, nowadays, everything are there. Everything possibilities are there. Technology are advanced. But by cheating, one day, today only we can learn. But whenever you go truthfully, the length of the truth is a very far away. You cannot meet anywhere because it is endless. And if you cheat to the people, there is only one day you will get finish your road, finish your road, finish your everything. That's why we should come step forward. We should come step in the field implementation. We should come straight for the implementation of the government policy, whatever has been introduced by the government. And this is by this time many technology has been updated and many Constitution of India has been upgraded. Now see, whenever Constitution of India has come only 193 Constitution, now more than 500, 800. It has been amended day by day by inserting Article 368, which is mandatory for the nation. That's why this has been kept in this. When 1946 it has been drafted by Mr. Rao. 26 January, he has been kept. Many lucanas are there that it has been corrected. And when he was in the London, part of the universities, that time also they have thought many group, many technical issues have been arises. That also has been going to be solved and there has been changes. Now let us work together, let us work together, let us do together, and let us please the corruption for the country. That is the number one insult of the country, which will kill directly to the people of the grassroots level. Thus, it is a mandatory. Thank you very much. And I forward to this iconic Peace Award Council. Let them do such type of things, and frequently they can do implement, because they are coordinators. They are making bridges and they are making every society. They are bringing them together in the platform. This is also one of the very big achievement for the iconic Peace Award Council. That's I thanks to them. Thank you very much.